Watermarks help us ensure our copyright is protected when sharing files in Canto. Best of all, we don't have to apply them before upload. Canto can apply them on the fly. In this video, I'll show you how. Administrators can hover over their avatar and enter the settings to create watermarks. Jump to Configuration Options, then choose Digital Rights Management here on the left side. On this screen, make sure that this box is already checked to get started with watermarks. Now, let's type a name for our new watermark, and then give it a description. I'll click on Upload and find and browse to the watermark that I've created. I recommend creating a high-resolution, transparent PNG so that it overlays nicely on top of your images. We can always scale down the size of the watermark later, so I recommend uploading it as a 500 pixel wide, transparent PNG image. Let's click on Add. Now, in the area below, let's click on this pencil icon next to the name of the watermark. On this screen, we can customize where our watermark is overlaid, as well as the size of it. I'm going to position mine in the lower right corner of the images we apply it to. Let's hit Save to return to the watermark screen. Canto can actually manage multiple watermarks, so you can customize multiple watermarks based on the situation that you'll use them in. Now that we've set up our first watermark, let's return to our library to apply it to several images. The easiest way to apply a watermark is to start by selecting several images at the same time. To multi-select, I'll click in the upper right corner of several images. The checkboxes show that we've selected several images at the same time. Now let's find the Edit button to the above right and go ahead and click on it. Scroll down and find the Digital Rights Management section. Let's click on the drop-down arrow underneath Watermark and choose the watermark that we just uploaded. You'll also see a new drop-down called For, and this is a great option to customize how we use watermarks. Let's click the drop-down. This menu shows us a list of libraries and portals to choose from. I'm going to pick one of my client portals to apply this watermark to. Remember that we can upload more than one watermark. That means that we can really create multiple pairings of watermarks in portals. For specific clients, we could even apply their logo as a watermark in their portal to make them feel right at home. Make sure to click Add and then click Apply. Let's switch gears and see what our clients will see when they're downloading a watermarked file. I'm working in the portal that we just set up a watermark pairing for, and you can see here that the image now has the watermark. Watermarks are really a breeze in Canto. You don't have to add them to each original image, you can overlay them in Canto to protect those images. Thanks for watching.